previous video, but still there are some pretty significantly strong videos that is going to be still difficult to compete with probably, especially at first.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So then you go down and then you would go maybe some long, pick other searches here. Maybe it's this one, start my own business. Let's just see how this one will work. Probably all of these will be at least somewhat competitive. For some reason this video comes back. This was the first video that we saw there. And I'm not here on the first page. And again, these are pretty competitive. Look, this one has 100,000, 50,000, 40,000, 400,000 almost. So you see how this works, right? So you've got to, so this may be a bad keyword, right? How about the keyword business plan, right? How to write a business plan. Why didn't it like that? So business plan outline. Okay, let's say 10,000. Let's see what happens if we search that. Now, okay, so this looks pretty good, right? Look, the first one only has 15,000 and then really a big drop off, only 41 views. I mean, this might be really easy to rank for, right? 400 views, under 1,000 here, under 1,000 here. Even me, and this is a very recent video. You see, I made it 3 weeks ago and it's already ranking for this. By the way, long term, my video here should probably end up being a #1 video for the search term, but it's new, so it's 3 weeks old, and I haven't really promoted it too much. So this video will probably eclipse all these because it's an easy search niche, and it's kind of why I made it. Look at the keywords that I chose here. I have the words how to write a business plan. Okay, here also I have the words free business plan template, right? Simple outline. You see the word outline. That's why it's ranking for the search term, with 20 business planning tips. So with this one video, I'm trying to rank for many search terms, right? Business plan, how to write a business plan, free business plan template, business plan outline, business planning tips. See all those keywords that I tried to rank for in this one video? That's called a kind of a long tail approach. These are mostly long tail searches, but together they're going to give me long term a lot of views once I start ranking higher for it. And once I get a lot of views, as I'm going to talk about later, the views are going to be my defense and a way to beat my competition, because the views are a large part of the ranking algorithm. The more views you have, the more rapidly you're getting views, the higher you'll probably end up ranking. And here I'm setting myself up to get views from a lot of searches. So once this thing starts ranking, it's going to out-accelerate most of these other videos because they don't have as nifty SEO as I do, or at least as nifty keyword research. Now let's look at, I have a friend, I've been recently talking to him. He has a boating business where he sells boats. So why don't we just, buy a boat? Buy a boat. So I don't know this niche at all. It's not my business. So let's see how this would work. Why doesn't it like it when I do that? Okay, perfect. So if people are looking for sailboats for sale, we want to rank for this. This may be more a Google thing because people are looking to directly buy. And here you see the competition is like mid challenge, mid difficulty competition. 6,000, 16,000 views, almost 2,000 views, 15,000, 11,000. So it's not that easy even, right? I mean, they're not all that relevant sometimes, although they are. This is for sale. So these are for sale boats, right? They may have already been sold. We have no idea. But essentially, these are for sale boats, which is relevant here. So we don't want, sailboats is a little bit too general actually, because we don't know what people want with the sailboats. Like, do they want to learn about them, rent them, buy them? We don't know. Just see pictures of them? We don't know. But search like this is a highly converting search, right? Sailboat for sale. And I think generally, ideally, we would want to rank for all these terms. Sailboat, why not? Boats, why not? Like, if it was my company, I would long term want to have videos that rank for all of these terms, right? But really, something like sailboat for sale, or even specific boat models, which I have no idea what to type in, but those more direct, more where the intent is more clear, those I would tackle first, because they would typically be easier to rank for, and because it's a more of a niche search, and they will bring in more highly converting traffic. Because I mean, if people are looking for this search, sailboat for sale, then oh my god, and if we are selling boats, we certainly want them to find us. And then we want to create a great sales video so that they take the next step, call us, visit our website, email us, whatever. So that's kind of how you would do keyword research. I explained it in theory, then I walked you through a couple of examples, different examples. So hopefully that gives you a sense of how you should do keyword research for SEO, for whatever your business is.